Hi, my name is Simone. I'm 23 years old. I am born, raised in Melbourne. My mum is from Thailand and my dad's from the Seychelles. Growing up with my dad, I didn't have the greatest relationship with him, so there was gaps in me learning about the culture, but from what I know is that Seychelles is a tiny little island in the Indian Ocean, and it's a very vibrant and colourful culture. Now you'll find that the Seychelles is mixed with all different types of people. There's African Seychellois, Indian Seychellois, Chinese Seychellois, just very, very mixed. The first one is called Moutya, I think. So all of the slaves would come around the bonfire after a hard day's work, and the men would start like singing, and it's very much, you know, the music, Seychellois music stems from a lot of the African drumming and African music and beats. So around the fire, the men would like play music with the drums, and it was mostly about talking about the day and kind of what happened, kind of like gossip, and a lot of the dance is like a call and response. So the men would sing and say certain things and the women would kind of respond to it with their dance movements. And a lot of Seychellois dancing is from the hips. And then kind of the more well-known traditional Seychelles dancing is Sega dancing. It's similar to Mauritius Sega dancing, but I think there's maybe a little bit of a difference. So a lot of the Sega dancing again comes from the hips, and it's these women that wear these really beautiful long floral colourful skirts, and they kind of swish it around. And you'll find in Sega dancing there's like a lot of different variations with like partner work or with the females being by themselves. There's also really beautiful Sega dancing where they hold like this woven basket and they're just really using their hips and dancing. And a lot of the music has a lot of influence from like Brazilian polka and also like French pop music as well. So learning the Seychellois culture from my dad, there was a lot that I also learned about him, and a lot of things that he unpacked that I never really understood growing up, or he never really told me. And from him sharing his story, I felt that there was also a sense of belonging that he didn't feel when he was here in Melbourne. It kind of made me appreciate, you know, learning about the culture more from that experience.